Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, we have to take this knowledge from authority. Here is Krishna speaking, his authority. We accept Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. His knowledge is perfect. He knows past, present and future. Therefore, he is teaching Arjuna, my dear Arjuna, the spirit soul within this body is eternal. That's a fact. Just like I can understand I was in the past, I am in present, so I must be in the future. These are three phases of time: past, present and future. In another place, we read in this Bhagavad-gita, na jayate na mriyate va kadachit. The living entity is never born, neither it dies. Na jayate means it never takes birth. Na jayate na mriyate, it never dies. Nitya sasatoyam na hannate hannamane sarire. It is eternal, shasata, existing forever. Na hannate hannamane sarire. By annihilation of this body, the soul does not die. This is also confirmed in the Upanishad, Vedas. Nitya nityanam cetana cetananam eka bahunam vidadati kaman. The God is also eternal, and we are also eternal. We are part and parcels of God. Just like gold and fragments of gold, both of them are gold. Although I am fragment, a particle of gold or the spirit, still I am spirit. So, we get this information that both God and we, living entities, we are eternal. Nitya nityanam. Nitya means eternal. So, two words are there. One is singular number, nitya, eternal. And the other is plural number, nityanam. So, we are plural number. Plural number eternals. We do not know what is the numerical strength of the living entities. They are described as asankhya. Asankhya means without any counting capacity. Millions and trillions. Then what is the difference between the singular number and the plural number? The plural number is dependent on the singular number. Eka bahunam vidudati kaman. The singular number eternal is giving all the necessities of life to the plural number. We living it. That's a fact. We can examine by our intelligence. Out of 8,400,000 different forms of life, we civilized human beings are very few. But others, their number is very great. Just like in the water, Jalaja Namulakhani, there are 900,000 species of life within the water. Thavara lokha vinsati, 2 million different forms of life in the vegetable kingdom, plants and trees. Jalajanava lakhani, thavara lokha vinsati, krimayo rudra sankhaka. And the insects, they are 1100,000 different species of form. Krimayo rudra sankhaka, pakshinam dasalakhani. And birds, they are 1 million species of form. Then beasts, pasava trinsalakkhani, 3 million types of animals, 4-legged. And chaturlakhani manas. And the human being, the forms are 400,000. Out of them, most of them are uncivilized.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.